Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. It's time for a bird video with Budgie Buddies Joshua, J, and K on display today.
Right, that's what I was concerned about. It was more concerned about COVID. It was concerned about the fact that
Joshua Demers Productions presents The Boring Business of the Birds and the Beads.
Striving for in some
Take a look, see. I set up some little beads up there on the swing, and Jaybird's loving it. Jaybird's loving those new beads.
Sense of catastrophe on the part of the members
buddy.
of the family. They're always at each other's throats.
Yeah, buddy. Jaybird like the new beads. Jaybird like the new beads. KK fighting to play with them too. Jaybird, play with your new beads, buddy. Play with your new beads, buddy. Show off for the camera guy. Come on, buddy. Show off for the camera guy. Jaybird. Play with the beads, buddy. Come on. Play with the beads. I guess it's KK's fault. K, come on now. Get out of the way, K. There we go. Look at that. Hey, Jaybird. Hi, buddy. I tell you what, I got him to flap his wings a few times, too. Not gonna play the beads no more? Oh, come on. Took all this work to get the camera out. You're not gonna play the beads no more, huh, buddy? Oh, well. Guess see y'all next time. Got anything else to say, guys?
Whatever we have to fight off the pain, and that's free speech. It's identical with freedom of thought.
Ooh, I like what Jordan Peterson said.
Pain is whatever we have to fight off the pain, and that's free speech. It's identical with freedom of thought. It's associated with this capacity and necessity to listen deeply. They're flip sides of the same coin, to use a terrible cliche.
Answer the phone, Joshua!
Thank you for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, and share this with all your friends. And as always, more to come.